Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your baby girl Mama. What's up? In today's video I'm going to share with you how I prepare this delicious designer stew. If you want to know how I achieve it, stay tuned to the end of this video. So guys, to begin, I have my tatashi, long sweet pepper and paprika, yellow, green, red, and I also have my onions. Here are all the ingredients I'm going to use for this recipe. Yes guys, so for a start, what I'm going to do is to slice all the peppers, which I just did, and blend it in my blender. So I'm going to be blending this bit by bit, as you can see. So next is to add a little water. We don't need water in this pepper, but to make it easier to blend, I added a little water, and I'm going to be blending it just the way you are seeing. The way you are seeing me blending it right now. So guys, I'm done blending the first round. I will just go ahead and transfer it into my filter. Yes. Next is to use the one I have just filtered from the one I blend. Add it inside and use it again to blend the second one. So take note guys, because we don't need water for this stew. That is why I'm just trying not to use plenty water to blend. Okay guys, keep watching. So guys, right now I'm done blending the whole pepper, as you can see. So next is to transfer a clean pot on a fire and add my red palm oil inside, just the quantity I need. Yes, and cover it on a low heat to heat up. As that is going on, I'm going to blend some crayfish with okpei. You can also use local beans or dao. These are local spices. Guys, take note, you must let your oil cool down for like about 10 minutes before you open it. So right now my oil is ready and I just opened it. I let it sit for 10 minutes. The next is to add in my chopped onions, fresh chopped onions. Yeah, and fry it for like 2 minutes. So next is to add in my crayfish as the onions is frying and give it a good stir. Yes guys. So guys, after giving it a good stir, the next step is to add in my blended peppers inside. So right now I'm done adding all the peppers inside. I'll just go ahead and give it a good stir and leave it to fry. But before then, I'm going to add in my Maggie seasoning. You can use any Maggie seasonings of your choice. So guys, I use two different types of Maggie, and they are all Maggie seasonings. I use cow brown and chicken brown. If you are following my videos, you will know that I don't eat any other Maggies apart from this Maggie. So keep watching guys. Next is to give it a good stir and leave it to fry. But before then, I'm going to add salt to taste. Yes guys. So guys, after giving it a good stir, I'm going to cover it to fry. As the stew is frying, I'm going to go ahead and peel my eggs. The eggs are already boiled. Yes. So next, I ended up leaving it for 2 minutes to fry. As you can see, I'll just go ahead and add in my boiled egg. You can add as much as egg you want. Yes guys.
A few moments later.
So right now we are going to check our stew. As you can see, it's looking so delicious. I'm going to give it a good stir and add in my fish. You can also use chicken, goat meat, any meat of your choice. It doesn't matter. So in this recipe, I only use grilled mackerel fish, and the taste is awesome. Oh my goodness. So I'm going to go ahead and add in my grilled fish inside and give it a stir. And after then, our designer stew is ready. Yes guys, before I forget, if you're watching me for the first time, thank you so much for clicking on this video. Please don't forget to like and share the video to your friends, and feel free to share your thoughts at the comment section down below. And if you have not yet subscribed, what are you waiting for? Let's be friends by smashing that red sign that says subscribe. Turn on the notification bell so that you don't miss out whenever I upload new video.
A few moments later.
So beautiful people, at this moment our stew is ready. You can see how yummy and delicious it's looking. You can also enjoy this stew with fried plantain, boiled yam, spaghetti, rice, anything at all. I believe I've come to the end of this video. See you in my next upcoming video, because as of now I am out. Bye.
Yo.